Jesus.
Oh, yeah.
He is mighty
Cookies, buddy.
fingers. Huh?
So he let you know. Dear Thomas, thank you for the cookies, reindeer food, and almond milk. They were delicious. Thank you for being a good boy this year. Merry Christmas. Loves, Santa. Ho, ho, ho.
What? Hey, he didn't eat all that cookie.
He must have had his fill. They were pretty big cookies.
I think Santa. What?
Did you get anything under the tree?
Oh. Look.
What's that? What do you see?
Joey, you even have a toy. Here's your toy. Know that. Maybe this. How about that? This. How about this?
What'd you get?
Look what Dad got for Christmas.
Dada got that, you think?
Yeah.
I think that's yours, buddy.
I think you got that. All three of those. All four. Did you get 4 gifts from Santa?
No, this is the 5 one.
Oh.
Charlie, look. You got something. A car. But the wheels don't move. Oh, they do move. Maybe they could move on here.
Yay! Christmas!